Ever wished your rice cooker could do more than just cook rice? Imagine preparing a full meal in one pot, with perfectly cooked rice and a side dish ready at the same time. The Tiger 5.5-Cup Micom Rice Cooker with Tacook synchro-cooking function makes that possible. It's designed to simplify your kitchen routine while delivering consistently delicious results. What sets this rice cooker apart is its 4-in-1 functionality. It's not just a rice cooker, but also a slow cooker, steamer, and a synchro-cooking system that lets you cook 2 dishes simultaneously. With 10 computerized menu settings, including options for plain rice, quick rice, porridge, mixed rice, brown rice, and even multi-grain rice, you get precise control for every meal. The 1.5 mm thick inner pan ensures even heat distribution, while the specially designed cooking plate keeps flavors from mixing, so your rice stays fluffy and separate from your side dish. One user shared how this cooker stays on their countertop daily, keeping rice warm for up to 2 days without losing taste or texture. The rice remains fluffy, never soggy, and the steamer handles small portions of meat and vegetables perfectly. Imagine making yellow curry chicken with potatoes and carrots while your rice cooks, all with the press of a button. The easy-to-clean removable inner lid and steam cap make maintenance a breeze, and the clear LCD panel simplifies navigation. Plus, the automatic keep warm and delay timer functions mean your meal is ready exactly when you want it. If you're looking for a versatile rice cooker that delivers more than just rice, this Tiger model is worth a look. It's perfect for busy households, anyone who loves meal prepping, or those who want to streamline dinner without sacrificing flavor. The compact size fits neatly on your counter, and the 641-watt power ensures efficient cooking without wasting energy. Ready to upgrade your kitchen with a rice cooker that truly multitasks? The Tiger 5.5-Cup Micom Rice Cooker with Tacook technology offers the convenience of 2 dishes cooked simultaneously, easy cleanup, and consistently great tasting meals. Try it when you're ready to make cooking simpler and more enjoyable.